Hello YouTubers, how's it going? Today I'm looking at this 97 Toyota Corolla again, and it's got some issues under the car. A while back, a friend of mine, he took it to a local garage. Now, I'm not going to say who the local garage is, but they replaced the lower control arm, and there's a bolt that goes up through the control arm or bushing on the back side of it, on the driver's side. Well, they welded the bolt on, and I'm guessing they couldn't get it tight. Maybe it was stripped out, maybe they stripped it out, maybe it was just rusted. But today I've got to grind off what they welded and fix it the right way, because that's just ridiculous, because the thing's clicking and popping and rattling back and forth. The whole point was to fix it so it wouldn't be doing that. They put a new one on it and then they screw it up. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. As you can see, there's the lower control arm, shiny black, looks new. It's got a little mud on it, but here's what they done. There's a bolt that goes up through there. There's a bushing. Okay, there's a bracket, 2 bolts in the bracket, and the bolt in the center goes up through the bushing, screws up into the body of the car. As you can tell, they welded it. And as you might not be able to tell from back here, but basically that bushing's been clicking and popping, moving back and forth. But yeah, so yay, I gotta fix it. But that's cool, because that's what I do. I'll pause this video and get back to it.